Hello everyone, welcome to Nikscalligraphy, and today I will show you some basic strokes that you can practice at home to improve your cursive writing. So the way we write each letter, we need to practice the way they are written. So as a beginner, I hope this video is going to be useful for you. And if you like my video, then definitely I would request you to please subscribe to my channel, and obviously do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest notifications. So the first curve I'll show you is very basic, and practicing this curve will help you to write these letters effectively: A, C, E, O, and X. If you see these curves, you can see the pattern matches with this. So these are the strokes for these letters. Similarly, we have these strokes as well. I hope it's very easily understandable that these strokes are for M and for N as well. Next, we will go to these curves. You might have guessed till now that it's for the letters U, V, W, and I. Isn't it interesting? These are the strokes that will help you to shape your letters for an impressive handwriting. These exercises are definitely going to help you to improve your basic strokes for lettering. You have S and R. Then again, we have these strokes. Again, these are very familiar to you. The first alphabet that might come to you while seeing this curve is T, L. Besides these, you can also practice for B, for D, F, H, and K as well. Okay. The next we have is, this is a little bit tricky, but again, there are letters which follow this stroke as well. So the ones that follow this is J, G, P, Y, Z, and Q. So this completes all the strokes for those letters that we have.